Hey, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am back at our net zero renovation here in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. Looking to do a quick walkthrough here and give everybody an update on progress. We've got Top Coats Painting, Genesis Hardwood Flooring, and Continental Tile, who are all working through our final finishing stages. It is, of course, the end of August, and we are on track to be finished mid-December. So the house will be ready for family Christmas vacation. So let's go on inside and do a quick walk around and see the progress to date. As you can see here, most of the exterior detailing is now complete, getting ready for our siding. A little bit of rain screen left to go on. Timber detailing over the garage is done, and the front entry concrete stairs are all complete. Front door is in. We're just waiting for some replacement glulam posts here so we can finish the timber frame detail on the front of the house. That should be in here shortly. Steel stringer stairs are now complete and painted, and just of course waiting for the wood tread install. Let's quickly go in. We can see that the tile is now down on the master bedroom floor. All the prep is done for the tiled shower, just waiting for that to start. So looking forward to those next steps. And of course, again, hardwood in the master bedroom is complete. Looking out on a wonderful view of Fitzsimmons Creek here in Whistler, British Columbia. As you can see, hardwood flooring is now complete. Great job by Genesis Hardwood to get through here last week. So just waiting for kitchen cabinet install that goes in here. So that will be the next exciting milestone in this wonderful project here. And of course we've got the tile prep underway with all the floor leveling compound completed, and looking forward to watching the tile go down this week. Stay tuned for the next update in a week or so, and if you like what you see, please make sure to follow along on our YouTube channel or like us on Facebook or Instagram.